Welcome to Tech Quest X, where we make tech clear and show what it means for your role. Everyone assumes AI cloud platforms are interchangeable. That assumption is dangerously wrong. They are not just another API to swap out, especially for enterprise production. Deeper architectural implications, security models, and total cost of ownership vary wildly. Many teams focus on features, missing critical nuances like model accessibility or data privacy. Your AI's foundational blueprint isn't just code, it's this strategic platform choice. This isn't merely a developer concern, it profoundly impacts security teams and operations workflows. Wrong choices lead to hidden costs, compliance nightmares, and severe scaling limits. The surprising truth is this: Bedrock, Azure AI, and Vertex AI are not beginner platforms. Getting this wrong costs weeks, months, sometimes entire product cycles. But what if we could predict these pitfalls before they happen? That's next. After navigating the initial landscape's complexities, we confront the real battleground: production choices. Many assume AI platforms are largely interchangeable for basic use cases. That assumption is a costly mistake, hiding architectural, security, and TCO variances. The real value is aligning with your existing foundational blueprint, not just feature lists. Overlooking data privacy, model accessibility, and long-term costs is catastrophic. A wrong choice means hidden costs, compliance nightmares, and brutal scaling limits. This isn't just a dev issue. Ops and legal face massive governance and capacity overhead. Bedrock, Azure AI, and Vertex AI are for mature production, not beginner experimentation. Aligning your cloud AI choice is the ultimate strategic enabler, or crippling bottleneck. Because bridging that critical gap demands more than tech decisions, it demands cross-functional insight. Building on our last discussion, simply choosing an AI platform isn't enough. The hidden implications surface in production. Believing all AI clouds are equal is a costly delusion. Many professionals focus only on features, missing critical nuances in model access and data privacy. Consider the foundational blueprint. Each platform offers distinct architectural advantages and liabilities. This isn't just a developer concern, it's a strategic choice impacting product roadmaps, legal compliance, and operational overhead. Wrong choices introduce hidden costs, from data egress to unexpected integration hurdles. Compliance nightmares, especially with data residency and audit trails, become real. And for scaling, platform capacity and regional availability can become severe limits. The surprising truth: Bedrock, Azure, or Vertex AI are not plug-and-play for beginners. These platforms demand deep cloud engineering expertise for reliable enterprise deployment. Choosing the right blueprint means strategically aligning your AI with existing infrastructure and team capabilities, because ignoring these cross-functional impacts will only lead to expensive refactoring down the line. Building on how core platform choices ripple through your organization, the real question becomes: what's actionable? Many assume Bedrock, Azure, Vertex are just interchangeable tools for AI tasks. But beneath the surface, architectural implications and security models diverge significantly. Beyond simple proof of concepts, true total cost of ownership becomes critical. Assuming interchangeability is a production killer. Many focus solely on individual platform features, missing crucial underlying nuances. Model accessibility, data privacy, and long-term cost structures deeply impact production reliability. This isn't just about developer convenience, it deeply impacts your overall data governance and compliance teams too. The real value is aligning your foundational blueprint with existing infrastructure and specific use cases. It's not about the raw number of models offered, but which platform truly fits your strategy. A misstep here introduces unexpected operational overhead and escalating budget lines. Suddenly, you face compliance nightmares, or hit hard scaling limits precisely when growth demands more. Implement a lightweight decision framework, considering integration with your current cloud and data estate. Here's the truth: Bedrock, Azure AI, and Vertex AI are not designed for novice users. They demand understanding of distributed systems, security, and enterprise integration patterns. Your professional reputation and your project's trajectory profoundly depend on this crucial production decision. But what about the strategic long-term outlook and the tangible ROI for your specific role? The future of enterprise AI isn't about choosing a platform. It's about designing a strategy. Forget feature lists, prioritize architectural fit, data privacy, and long-term cost implications. This isn't just a developer concern, it shapes legal, compliance, and operational futures. Because the wrong choice incurs hidden costs, frustrating scaling efforts, these platforms aren't plug-and-play tools for casual adoption. Instead, a robust foundational blueprint is the true ROI. Thank you for watching. If this resonated, like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. Find our full playbook below.